Time Okunya, the duel of Cuchulainn and Ferdia. Queen Bev and King Alil of Connacht were nearly equally matched in wealth, with one exception. The king owned a splendid bull who had no equal in Bev's holdings. Learning that there was another such bull in Ulster, Bev set out with an army to seize it. Ulster found itself unusually vulnerable. The men had all been cursed to suffer devastating labor pains, all except the warrior Cuchulainn. To Bev's frustration, he single-handedly held off the army of Connacht and killed each champion she sent to duel him. There was, however, one man who might stand a chance: Ferdia, foster brother of Cuchulainn. Ferdia refused Meb's bribes, but Meb was too clever to give up there. Cuchulainn, she claimed, had said Ferdia was no match for him anyway. His pride inflamed, Ferdia finally agreed to fight his foster brother. When the two met at the ford where the duel was to be held, Cuchulainn pleaded with Ferdia not to engage him in battle. Ferdia refused, and the two were forced to fight. The combat went on for days, ceasing each night, as each man rested and healed his wounds. Their horses and charioteers would rest in the same place, and the two men sent each other equal shares of the medicine and food they received, so that they would remain equals on the battlefield. Yet, by the end of the third day, the two had grown weary and bitter. Their horses and charioteers did not rest together that night. On the fourth morning, they fought on the water with a new viciousness. The ferocity of their combat diverted the very water around them. When Ferdia dealt him a terrible injury, Cuchulainn was driven to his last resort. The one feat his foster brother did not have, the Gaebolga, his fearsome barbed spear. Against the Gaebolga, Ferdia had no defense. With a last lament, he dropped dead in the water. Cuchulainn was left to mourn his lost foster brother, killed by his own hand.